Hi everyone, in this video we will convert fractions to percents. Convert the fraction to a percent. Round to 2 decimal places if necessary. 23/6. There are 2 ways to do this. If we can make the denominator 100 evenly, then we can go that route. However, there's nothing multiplied by 6 to make a nice even 100. So let's do the other way, which is the long division. Long division meaning that I divide 23 by 6, since that's what the fraction means. 23 is the numerator, which means it goes inside the long division, and 6 goes on the outside. 6 goes into 23 3 full times. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract, we'll have to ungroup the 2 or borrow to give a 10 to the 3, making it 13. Subtract is 5. And 6 will not go into 5, and I don't have anything else to bring down. So I must give myself a decimal and a 0, and I can put as many zeros on here as I need. And the decimal will be exactly above here, this decimal inside the division sign. The answer will have it directly above that. Now I have a number I can bring down, a 0, and 6 can go into 50. 6 can go into 50 8 full times. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtracting, I will ungroup or borrow from this, making that a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. And since I don't have a 0, I can bring down because it did not divide evenly into it, making a remainder of 0, I can bring down the next 0. 6 goes into 20 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract. 20 minus 18 is 2. I still don't have a 0 remainder, so I'll bring down another 0. 6 goes into 20 3 times, which is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2, and if you will see, we ended up with a pattern here, and we will continue getting 20 and 3, which gives us 18, which gives us another 20, which gives us another 3, which gives us another 18, which gives us another 2, which gives us another 20, which is a 3, and so on. You'll see that that pattern continues, which means we can have an infinitely repeating decimal of 3. And we can rewrite that as 3.83 with a line over it. Either way, we still need to change this to a percent. The fast way of doing that is moving the decimal over 2 place values, and that makes it a percent. So we end up with 383%. However, we were asked to round it 2 decimal places, and those 2 decimal places are beyond that decimal for the percent. So once we've moved it over 2, we still have a bunch of 3s. We can fill it in as many times as we want. So we will add in our extra 3s, and we will round to that decimal place here. Since I have a 3 to the right of that, this 3 is less than 5, which means everything beyond it rounds down to a 0, and we're left with 383.33%. And now we're all done.